Hello everyone, welcome to the last day of BOMA Kona Expo India 2024, and today we have with us Mr. Ashish sir for having a thoughtful conversation. Welcome to Construction Mirror sir. So sir, can you please give us an overview of your company, like what is the core objective of your company and its key product offering to its customers?
Well, in the construction equipment domain, we are the ones. I can proudly say that we are the ones who've introduced many first times into India. Basically, even now, even in this show, we have got more than 3 to 4 innovations. Again, first time into India. We focus mainly into vertical logistics. That is, आप दुनिया भर से कहीं का भी सामान, because as you know that we are all doing high rises today, and the entire skyline of India, A tier, B tier, and C tier cities is changing rapidly and very fast. Yeah, so there is a need that vertical logistics has to be dealt and has to be concentrated upon basically. So we help the customers to take all the material. आप कहीं से भी दुनिया से आप import करके best से best fittings ले आएं, best से best fit outs ले आएं for the man and material. So we give you the passenger hoists and platforms and rope systems for जिसको बोलते हैं ना speeding up the work, because not only the skyline is changing but it is also happening with timelines. And allow me to say, having said this, it is like this that now the construction industry is going like a manufacturing industry. So people are almost manufacturing square feet. So with that speed, we are going ahead. So we are only trying to live up to the expectation of our clients in helping them to get the objective achieved.
As we know that the key theme for BOMA is Viksit Bharat, and there are lots of initiatives from the government side to boost the Indian construction department. And so, do you want to see any change from the government side as well to boost the Indian market in the upcoming years?
I think yes, but the government and the policies have to come a long way. Right now, maybe whatever schemes are there, the schemes are there for the big ones, but for the SMEs, अभी तक ground पे जिसको बोलते हैं ना, वो जो one window permissions and the land and the availability and the facility and the tax facility and the, I think वो सब चीजों में अभी बहुत time है. अभी तक वो ground पे अभी तक उतरा नहीं है. There are many things which the government can do to initiate and to encourage the Make in India strategy, but I think there's a long way to go.
So, how is your company going to expand in the upcoming years, and what are your hopes from 2025, especially in terms of business opportunities?
Well, we are into the market and we have all options. We are into sales, we are into after sales, we are into rentals, and we are into buyback. So should the customer have a need, we have the means. So there are various models that we collaborate with the customer. And we also offer them try before you buy. मतलब उन्होंने खरीदना है तो उसके पहले we give them on rent, and should they approve the quality and the performance, then they can convert the rental into a buying deal basically.
So, according to you, what are the current market dynamics of rental equipment market, especially in India?
It's growing day by day, and the rental market is huge. And I mean, we are doing rentals since 2000. So it's 24 years that we are floating in this domain. So there's a huge potential, and it's only going to grow from here on.